I was sent this speaker here, Tronsmart Bang SE, I guess it's called. Let's open this up here and have a look at what's inside. It's an outdoor kind of adventure style speaker, so you can put it beside your pool. Yeah, it's waterproof, water resistant. You can put it beside your pool. If it accidentally gets knocked in, you'll have a little bit of time before it implodes, basically. So overall, like, the specs look pretty good. It should get pretty loud too. So if you have like a big outdoor event, big area, you should be able to get substantial amounts of audio. And make it. So we've got a carrying strap, which I'll test after. It's going to be rattly, so I'll do it after. Charging cable, USB-C to A, so you charge up. Auxiliary, so you can plug it into like an iPod, an older iPod or something like that, or whatever you have. Okay, let's turn this guy on here. May not have any battery. Oh, it does. It's got Bluetooth, so it's got some big drivers in there. You can see there. Metal grill there. That looks nice. We have thumper on the right side, thumper on the left side, thumper on the right side. So you should get some pretty good bass. Boom, 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 boom. And then you get your mid and lows. You get your mids and highs out of there. Rubber feet on the bottom. It's like, actually not a rubber feet. It's like a fabric-y fit, which is nice because the rubber gets kind of gross. You should get, yeah, you go. So you actually get a micro SD card there. That's pretty sweet. So you can put a micro SD card in there with some music on it. That's actually really nice because maybe you don't want to stream off your phone. You just want to load up some music and throw it in there. That's good. Input for charging USB. You can throw on a USB device as well. Put some MP3 files or FLAC files or whatever onto the USB. Plug that in there and you're good to go. Auxiliary in for headphones. Okay, so that's connected. It tells us how much is there. 80%. That's good. I guess this just turns off the RGB. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start with the volume way down, obviously, because I'm expecting this thing to get like brutally loud. If you have headphones, now's the time to take them out. It's obviously very loud. It's about half. So, yeah. Turn it up more. Remember, if you have headphones. I'm going to move it away because it's really loud. It's going to like give me a headache if it's sitting in my face. Okay, so it's very loud. I'm gonna go all for it. Over 100 dB. That is very loud, very, very loud, especially for this confined space. So if you're outdoors, this thing's gonna like be audible. Even if you're like in a pool party with 50 people, it's gonna give you the volume that you want. It is very loud. Now, it's not just about being loud. What does the audio sound like? There's a lot of bass, like a very thumpy bass. These speakers, these subs on the side here are putting out low-end bass, good low-end bass. So, yeah, you can feel it like in your skeletal structure when it's going. I was a teenager once. I'm used to subwoofers in my car. I'm from that era. So, I can tell you it has good bass, very, very good bass. There's no rattle on the metal or anything like that, so it feels very tight and controlled. The build structure, the build quality of it and the structure of the speaker feel very nice. It's waterproof, and it's like a good plastic, so there was no rattling or annoyingness, even though it was blaringly loud. Okay, it's probably gonna get loud again. Try this. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this qualitatively. Hold on. It does increase the bass as well, actually. A little bit. It's a very lovely song. It sounds better with it on. It's just brighter. You could turn it off and it kind of flattens it out, that curve a little bit there. There's not much more to do. I could really get in here and, test more of it, like plug it in and whatever. It's going to work fine on headphones, right? The thing sounds really good. And it may be called Soundcore Motion Boom, I think it was called. It was good. It was a really nice speaker. I liked it. This sounds at least as good, if not better. I think that was an Anchor product. It was a great speaker. I'm not going to say anything negative about it. It was really, really nice speaker. This, I think, is definitely louder. For sure. It's louder. It's pretty loud. And the bass is about the same, I would say, between the two of them. But this one just has a little bit more complexity to it. Maybe because it's slightly bigger. Like it's a tiny bit bigger than that speaker there. the motion boom, like the physical dimensions of this are a little bit bigger. I wish I still had it. It's a little bit taller, a little bit bigger, so it just has a little bit more oomph to it. The drivers in here are a little bit clear. When you put that, that sound in there, just sounds a little bit more. So it sounds great. Now, the other thing to factor in here is the price. The price is very compelling. It costs about half of what I paid for the other one that I had before, I would say. This on Amazon, we'll go over the pricing and I'll bring it up in a moment, but the pricing is really good. Throw this over your shoulder if you're in like if you're going hiking or something, you're going to a park or something like that with your buddies, or a family event or whatever, and you need to take some music with you. I mean, you can throw this on there. The strap is nice and robust, double strap there. You can adjust it. Good quality clips there. Like, that's a lot of force I'm putting on that. I'm a reasonably strong guy. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. You could swing this thing around, no problem. So the build quality is superb, actually, realistically. Very, very good build quality. Audio quality is fantastic. And then we get to the price. The price is good. It's cheaper than the competitors for this style of speaker, so I think you should buy this. That's just the way that it is. If the build quality is very good, the sound quality is very good, everything about it seems very compelling. The reviews are very solid, even ignoring my review right now. The online reviews are also very good as well, on like Amazon, where I found this. I probably recommend buying it. I'm actually going to check out their other stuff because this is really good here. So if they're making this for this style here, then why not try other ones? This is a party style speaker, but I'm not going to be using it to party. I'm beyond that age. I'm just going to be using it to listen to heavy, heavy boom boom music inside my house.